Hello little ones, today we are going to show you how to draw Santa. We will start with two circles and inside each circle we will have another smaller circle. After that, straight under, we will do an oval shape. That will be Santa's nose. We're going to draw the mustache and connect it back to the nose. Nice and easy. After this, we're going to make Santa's eyebrows. Nice and thick. Santa is old. We're gonna draw the second one and we're going to finish connecting the face. Now we are going to draw the upper part of Santa's hat. Nice and easy. Since the hat is connected to the beard, we're just going to go straight down and do these nice small little curves, one after another. Try to make a big V shape at the end. Then we're gonna go on the other way and connect it with his hat again. Now let's draw Santa's red hat. We need to do this big curve, nice and easy. It's going to take a few tries, but if we keep at it, we are eventually going to persevere. Now we're going to do a circle for the end of the hat. Nice. Right now, before we start coloring, let's finish the eyes. So let's just color them with black. Nice and easy, and make sure we don't overlap. Good job. We're going to do the same thing on the other eye. Pay attention not to hit the circle in the middle, that way we can leave Santa's eyes effects in place. Or just pay attention we don't hit the circle. On the top of his hat we're going to do these shapes to make wool. We're going to add some elements to his eyebrows. And now at all the beard we're just going to add like these small little curves to make it look more nice. Now we're going to start to draw. We're going to use this peach color for the face. We're gonna fill in everything nice and easy. For the nose, we're gonna use the same color, but just one or two palettes a little bit darker, if we have it. For the eyebrows, we are going to use this gray. We're going to start above with the eyebrows and then we're going to work our way down to the mustache and after that to the beard. Here we go. Just make sure, since we made these shapes around his beard, make sure that we do not draw over them. But if we do, it's totally fine. Nice and easy. Okay, we're making good progress on this. Okay, we're very close to finishing off the beard. And the beard should be done right about now. Good job. Starting from the pointy, we're going to just color in with the red color his famous hat. Trying to fix the contours first, because that way it's going to be easier to fill in the gaps after. We're doing this manually, so it's going to take time and patience is going to be needed. Patience is important for this drawing and for everyday life. Good job, little one. Go show your loved ones what you made. See you next time. Bye.